Good morning, student. Today I am delivering my lecture number 21. As our syllabus is completed for the semester, so now I am going to discuss another important topic, that is in EHV transmission. What are the problem associated in EHV transmission line? It is okay कि EHV transmission lines are required, it's needed, but some problems are associated with the EHV transmission line. So here we discussing main problems associated with extra high voltage transmission line. Number 1. Corona loss and radio interference. Since the line voltage level being a governing factor in the transmission line, it's more acute in the EHV lines. This loss further increase in bad weather condition. The power lines are also disturb the radio and TV broadcasting. To reduce the corona loss, the spacing between the conductor and conductor diameter can be increased. The diameter of a conductor or aluminum conductor with steel reinforced, in short we can say ACSR conductors, but the cost of both these types of conductor is relatively high and their handling is also difficult. So simple solution is bundle conductor, offers an economical solution for minimizing corona loss and radio interference for EHV lines. Let us discuss another problem, that is line support. EHV lines has larger mechanical loading on towers due to bundle conductors, larger air and ground clearance. It has also considerable dynamic forces acting on it due to broken conductors. That means commonly transmission line towers with fabricated steels are used. The tower cost is vary from 30 to 50% of total cost of the line of transmission. In recent design for line support include following points: composite design using standard structure steel for lightly loaded equipment and high tensile strength for highly loaded equipment, use of guide aluminum tower, standard wooden pole structure, and insulation requirement. The magnitude of line voltage surge determines required level of transmission line. The order of lighting surge is near about 1000 to 1100 kV and order of switching surge, therefore the insulation requirement much more costly when the voltage increase, and the insulation requirement phenomena is a very prominent problem for EHV transmission. Although it is necessary to transmit bulk power for huge distance, EHV should be used, but the level of insulation or insulation parameter class A, E, F is a very big problem in insulation requirement. So obviously we have to solve, or we have to focus on insulation requirement studies. Erection difficulties. The erection of EHV transmission line causes wide range of problem requiring extremely skillful workmanship and transportation of structural material. That means the labor of erecting EHV line should having higher salary, or we have to pay more as compared to normal line, but we have to pay more for erection difficulty removes. We need a skillful labor. Power station and substation equipments. For EHV transmission line, the size and rating of the generators, transformer, circuit breaker, conductor diameter, protection relays have to be increased. Surge arrestor of high voltage are to be used in power station. All these effects cause handling and transportation problem of equipment as the substation are situated in remote areas. High short circuit current due to increase in voltage of EHV transmission. Short circuit currents are very high. For such fault, the circuit breaker of high capacity are required, which have higher cost. Surge arrestor, gapless metal oxide arrestor are required instead of gap type silicon carbide arrestor for both lighting and switching impulse duties, because in EHV transmission lines the switching over voltage are predominated. single pole switching and auto reclosing. In the case of EHV transmission, single pole switching, auto reclosing is required for maintaining transient stability. Another point is surface voltage gradient. For EHV lines, surface voltage gradient is high, by which corona lines losses increase. Due to high surface voltage gradient, conductor attract the dust particle and it causes further increment in corona losses. Shunt reactor. In EHV transmission reactors, for compensation is required to absorb the excessive reactive power generated by the line capacitance. It will increase the cost of line. These are the main problems associated with EHV transmission line. We should rectify these all problems by considering lot of parameters. Thank you very much.